In the global market, China stands out as a manufacturing giant, offering a plethora of products to meet diverse consumer needs. For entrepreneurs looking to leverage China's cost-effective manufacturing capabilities, importing products from China can be a highly profitable investment. In this video, we will explore the 10 most lucrative products to consider when importing from China. Electronics and gadgets. China is renowned for competitively producing a variety of electronics and gadgets. From smartphones and tablets to smartwatches and accessories, the Chinese electronic market provides ample opportunities for importers. Staying informed about the latest technological trends helps identify profitable niches in this market. Clothing and apparel. China's textile and garment industry is a significant player on the global stage. Importing clothing and apparel, including fashion accessories, allows businesses to access affordable yet stylish products. Collaborating with manufacturers capable of producing high-quality and fashionable items can result in a profitable investment. Home and kitchen appliances. Chinese manufacturers produce various home and kitchen appliances, such as blenders, coffee makers, and air purifiers. Importing these items can be lucrative, especially if they feature innovative functions or eco-friendly designs, meeting the growing demand for sustainable living. Toys and games. China is a major exporter of toys and games, offering a diverse range of products suitable for all age groups. Importers can tap into this market by sourcing unique and safe toys that comply with international safety standards. Keeping a close eye on emerging trends in the toy industry ensures a competitive advantage. Fitness equipment. With a global emphasis on health and fitness, importing gym equipment, yoga accessories, and fitness trackers from China can be a profitable venture. Quality, durability, and innovative designs are key factors to consider when selecting suppliers in this niche. Beauty and personal care products. China is a major producer of beauty and personal care products, including skincare items, cosmetics, and hair care products. Importing these products can be lucrative, especially if they align with consumers' growing preferences for natural and organic ingredients. Outdoor and sports equipment. Outdoor and sports equipment, such as camping gear, sports apparel, and hiking accessories, are in demand worldwide. Importers can explore this market for high-quality, durable products that cater to outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. Furniture and home decor. China's furniture and home decor industry offers a plethora of options for importers. From contemporary furniture designs to traditional Chinese-inspired decor, businesses can curate a unique collection to meet the diverse tastes of consumers globally. Medical supplies and equipment. The demand for medical supplies and equipment continues to grow. Importing essential medical items, such as masks, gloves, and medical devices, can be a crucial and profitable endeavor. Automotive parts. As the world continues to rely on automobiles, importing automotive parts from China presents a lucrative opportunity. This includes components such as tires, batteries, and electronic systems. Ensuring quality and compliance with industry standards is crucial in this sector. In conclusion, importing products from China offers numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs seeking profitability and a diverse product range. However, success in this venture requires in-depth research, effective communication with suppliers, and a keen understanding of market trends. By selecting the right products and establishing strong partnerships with reliable manufacturers, businesses can navigate the complexities of importing and thrive in the competitive global marketplace.